So here we are in our beautiful new custom completed kitchen. We did a few things to help expand the space and make it feel more open. There used to be a wall here, which we took down and expanded the space. There used to be a wall here that went all the way up and we took it down. It makes the space feel much larger. The tile direction also expands the space, so the space inside the kitchen is exactly the same as it was before, but it feels more open. We have custom color cabinetry with polished nickel hardware, which is absolutely gorgeous together. This Raphael stone top beautifully accentuates the color of the cabinetry. The client fell in love with this, and then we matched the cabinetry to bring everything together beautifully. So it came out really well. Backsplash has the same colors in it as the countertop. We've got Fassos white with a little bit of like a gray grout that matches the veining of the island. So in this new master bathroom, we took the old bathtub and made a walk-in shower. So we have a panel here. The controls for turning the water on are on this side, and then you just walk into your nice rain shower. We have all new vanities, the polished nickel hardware, and if you come in, I'll show you where the shower used to be. Now we have storage. This is where the shower used to be, in this small area. Much more functional space for the homeowners. Welcome to the new powder room. So the powder room is a very nice, fancy look for people to come and visit. We have this beautiful marble floor. All of the hardware is polished nickel, marble veining that matches throughout, a nice big vanity. It's nice and welcoming. We have changed the door here. We have a new pocket door. The door used to open up into the hallway this way, and it feels so nice now to be able to just see this beautiful space when you walk by.